Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Naveedul Hassan Sayyed and today we are going to present very significant and important MCQs related to PPSC test of lectureship political science. Here is the first question. Who among the following said, I am the state? This is the statement said by Louis XIV of France. Secular state is one which is, the right answer is, there are four options are given. The right option is the secular state which has no religion of its own. Which theory is correct about the origin of the state? There are four options are given: divine theory, theory of social contract, and evolutionary theory. The right answer is evolutionary theory. The concept of general will was presented by, the right answer is Jean-Jacques Rousseau. The general will means what? The general will means collection of individuals' wills. The main exponent of social contract theories are, the right answer, there are four options are given, three scholars in each options, but the right answer is Hobbes, Locke and Rousseau. These three political scientists are called social contractualists: Thomas Hobbes, John Locke and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. The modern state is described as, the right option is welfare state. The term law has been derived from, four options are given: ancient German, Arabic, Latin, Greek. The right answer is ancient German. The term liberty has been drawn from the Latin word. The right answer is liber, L-I-B-E-R. Who said political liberty without economic liberty is a myth? This is the statement said by G.D.H. Cole. Historical theory of right holds that, the four options are given. The right option is rights are the crystallization of custom. Which one of the following right is no political right? Four options are given. First one is right to vote, second right to freedom, third right to hold public office, fourth right to criticize the government. So the right answer is right to hold public office. This is no more part of political right. A duty is simply an obligation. There are two pillars of democracy which are liberty and the right option is equality. The term sovereignty is derived from Latin word sovereignus, which means supreme. De jure means by law, the lawful ruler of a country. The right answer is the lawful ruler of a country. Democracy is a system of government in which the final power rests with, the right option is rests with the people. Direct democracy is commonly associated with, the right option is ancient Greek. Direct democracy was observed in ancient Greek. According to Islamic concept, final sovereignty belongs to, the right option is Allah. Electorate means the body of voters is called electorates. The main justification for introducing 18th Amendment was, there are four options are given. The right option is to grant maximum legislative and fiscal autonomy to provinces. Who defined democracy as government of the people, by the people, for the people? Simply Abraham Lincoln. The two most important methods of direct democracy are, four options are given: elections and political party, no; political parties and press, no; parliament and press, no. The right option is referendum and initiative. The first systematic classification of government was given by Plato, Aristotle, Machiavelli, Montesquieu. The right answer is Aristotle. The head of the state under a parliamentary government usually enjoys nominal powers. Head of the state in the parliamentary system usually enjoys nominal powers. The cabinet under parliamentary system is accountable to the legislature. The speaker in parliamentary system is required usually to be, four options are given: neutral, from a third party, from the main opposition party, from the majority party. So the right answer is speaker must belongs to the majority party. The presidential system of government first originated in, four options are given: Great Britain, USA, France, Italy. The right option is USA, United States of America. In a presidential system, the president is usually removed through, four options are given: through the Supreme Court, through the Senate, through loss of majority support in the National Assembly, and the last option, which is the correct option, through impeachment. Governments are classified as unitary and federal on the basis of what? There are four options are given. The right option is relationship between the center and the state. In unitary system of government, four options are given. The right option is the center is all powerful. In the unitary system, center is all powerful. A confederation differs from a federation is so far as four options are given. The right option is its members retain sovereign authority. Means in confederation, the members of the confederation remain sovereign authority. An example of confederation in modern times is United States of America, no. United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, no. Serbia and Montenegro, yes, this is the right option. Serbia and Montenegro. Which of the following contributes to the formation of public opinion? Press, yes. Political parties, yes. Legislature, yes. So the right option is all of the given option. The statement, the only principle by which government can be judged is that of utility. This is the theory of utilitarianism which was given by Jeremy Bentham. So the right answer is Jeremy Bentham. The doctrine of Wahdatul Shuhud was propounded by Sheikh Sarhindi to counter Wahdatul Wujud, means unity of being, which had been advanced by who? Four options are given. Mujaddid al-Afsani, no. Nizam al-Mulk Tusi, no. Ibn Hasham, no. Right answer is option D, Muhyiddin ibn Arabi. Which one of the following is not requirement for imamat according to Al-Mawardi's theory of imamat? According to Al-Mawardi's theory of imamat, divine nomination is not requirement for imamat. Siyasatnama was the work of Nizamul Mulk Tusi. The right option is Nizamul Mulk Tusi. According to Marx, the society broadly consisted of how many classes? Options are given, a number of classes, only one class, four classes. The right answer is two classes, bourgeoisie and proletariats. The chief advocate of fascism was definitely Mussolini. Magna Carta was signed in 1215. An implication of British legal maxim, the king can do no wrong, is that, what does it mean? Four options are given. It means the king publicly acts on the advice of the ministers, and thus any responsibility of the wrong rests with the ministers, not rest with the king. Hence it is called the king can do no wrong. Which statement about British Constitution is incorrect? We have to sort out the incorrect statement. There are four options are given. It is unwritten, it is mostly based on conventions, it is parliamentary. So the right option regarding this question is it has a federal character, means British Constitution has no link with federal character. The person who is widely acknowledged as the first Prime Minister of Britain was Sir Robert Walpole. In 1721, he was the first Prime Minister of Britain. The basic function of legislature is, the right option is to enact laws. United States of America comprises of how many states? 50 states. If you people have any questions, you may ask in the comment box. Thank you so much.